Welcome to Advanced Air Mobility Solving Real Social Problems. Today, we're diving into a topic that's more relevant than ever. Advanced Air Mobility, or AAM, is not just about flying cars. It's an ecosystem of new air transportation technologies and operations. While it might sound like something from a movie, AAM is already moving beyond science fiction, offering practical, tangible solutions to real-world challenges. So where is AAM applied, and why is it so powerful? Let's explore some key areas. From delivering urgent medical supplies to reaching remote areas, AAM can revolutionize health and emergency response, saving lives when every second counts. In critical situations, drones can provide vital support for survival and rescue missions, locating individuals and delivering necessary aid. AAM technology empowers precision agriculture, optimizing crop management, monitoring fields, and ensuring sustainable farming practices. Imagine alleviating urban congestion. AAM offers solutions for smarter urban traffic management, making our cities more efficient and less gridlocked. For environmental protection, AAM provides advanced surveillance capabilities, helping us monitor ecosystems and respond to environmental threats effectively. Government agencies can leverage AAM for improved logistics, from transportation of goods to rapid deployment of resources in various scenarios. Given these incredible applications, why isn't AAM more widespread? It often boils down to perception. Many still see AAM as purely futuristic or experimental. This perception hinders widespread adoption, despite its proven capabilities. The reality is, there are already operating models, success stories, and robust platforms in place, proving AAM's viability and impact. Regulatory frameworks are continually evolving to support AAM. We are moving towards a clear path for safe and integrated operations. The real problem isn't the technology itself, but rather a lack of institutional alignment. There's an absence of a clear narrative on how to implement AAM with low risk and high social return. This is where we need to focus. By strategically aligning institutions and developing clear implementation strategies, we can unlock AAM's full potential for societal good. Advanced Air Mobility is ready to make a significant positive impact on society. Let's work together to embrace this powerful technology and shape a future where innovation serves humanity.